everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic piece of hardware that was a lifesaver for many camcorder owners back in the day. The Sony VRD-MC5 CED-DVD recorder. This device was specifically designed to make the often daunting task of transferring precious home videos from your Sony camcorder to durable DVD media incredibly simple and efficient. Imagine having years of family memories trapped on tapes or hard drives and wanting to safeguard them for future generations. The VRD-MC5 steps in as a dedicated solution. It boasts impressive versatility, supporting a wide array of DVD media types, including DVD plus RRW, DVD-RRW, and even the larger capacity DVD plus R double-layer discs. This means you had plenty of options for how you wanted to archive your footage, ensuring compatibility with most DVD players. One of its standout features, especially for those with Sony HDD Handycam models, was its intelligent recording modes. This wasn't just a simple dump-all footage machine. It could intelligently record only the newly added scenes since your last transfer, or even allow you to select specific scenes you wanted to preserve. This level of control saved time and disk space, making the archiving process much more streamlined and user-friendly. Connectivity was another strong suit. For direct digital transfer from many camcorders, it featured an iLink 4-pin interface, commonly known as FireWire. But it didn't stop there. For broader compatibility with older or different camcorder models, it also included standard AV, RCA, and S-Video, Hosiden 4-pin inputs. This meant almost any camcorder could be hooked up, ready to offload its contents. Beyond video, the VRD-MC5 also offered a USB 2 port with PICT bridge compatibility, allowing users to directly print photos from their camcorder via a PICT bridge-enabled printer. It was truly a multifunctional hub for your media. The VRD-MC5 was designed with ease of use in mind, making it accessible even for those who weren't tech-savvy. Its purpose was clear: to provide a straightforward path to preserving your video memories on DVD. For anyone looking to digitize their old camcorder footage, this dedicated Sony recorder offered a robust and reliable solution, ensuring those cherished moments were safely stored away. It truly simplified the process of moving from camcorder to DVD, making it an invaluable tool for its time.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.